welcome to another day of Vlogtober. Today we are going to be doing what is Sam's favorite autumn scents. Living in the South, my favorite scents have changed a little bit. Living up north, well, northern than here, I loved the smell of like going outside and just the brisk air with the leaves. I don't know, but you can smell the leaves, and that was just like my favorite autumn scent. Like bonfires, everything. Oof. I miss up north. Autumn scents: bonfires, leaves, and cinnamon. Now, although those are my top 3 favorite autumn scents, I keep 5 specific scents within my house that have nothing to do with that. Absolutely nothing. Now, I have a mixture between my blend sticks and, of course, my wax. So, for my wax, I normally get it from Walmart just because it's cheaper and they actually have really good smells. But if I ever go into an occult shop or anything like that, or any place in general that sells these, or even these, I'll get it. I'm not too picky with it. But for my wax for autumn, I normally keep Illusion. It's like this nice blue midnight smell kind of one. I don't know how to describe that one. And then I have one that's Kitchen Spice, and of course, you know, Kitchen Spice smells like kitchen. Hello again. Hello. Your head is like twice as big as mine. You got a big ass head. Well, thank you. Thanks for the smooches. Thanks. Can you go lay down? And then another one is Leathered Amber. I can smell this one through the package. But I love it. It's homebound. It's that thick leather smell. I don't know what it is, but this is it. Now, for my sticks, all year round, I will keep Dragon's Blood. I don't really care about brands. Some do smell a lot better than others, but I'm not too picky when it comes to brands. But Dragon's Blood I will forever keep in my aromatherapy section, because it just, for some reason, I know what Dragon's Blood is used for, especially in witchcraft. But for me, it's just very calming and peaceful. So that's one of my top smells. And then, of course, musk. I don't know what it is. I literally have one left. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. Put it against my pale skin. I have one left. So that should tell you how much I use musk this month alone. But those are my all-time favorite autumn scents. What are your favorite autumn scents? I love picking up new scents when I'm in the store. I just bought this cinnamon bun candle, and it smells divine. And it's just, oof. It smells so good for something that I can't eat. But I definitely want to know your favorite autumn scents. Go ahead and leave those down in the comments. Even if it's just one, I always like picking up new scents just to smell them or try them. Because one thing about me is that I love having my house smell really good and have a scent just wafting the room. One trick that I do in December is I'll get my little bread dish and I'll put a little bit of vanilla in that little bread dish, and I'll bake it in the oven for about 25 minutes at like 325, and it literally smells the entire house of like vanilla, obviously, but like sugar vanilla cookies. And I love scents. But yeah, go ahead and leave yours down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. Be welcomed and get creative. Bye.